posting a new video. And I'm not posting the series. Instead, I'm making a challenge. I have the limit of 5 points. Launch back. If I pass 5 points, the video ends. So, and I am happy. I already got 5 points over there.